Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Holden Captiva 5, stock reference number 4442. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LE5 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE5 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the rear. We have the left power door mirror with some scratches. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door also has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with an 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Left rear has an average tyre. Left hand tail light. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has multiple small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black leather center console lid, automatic type console with electric handbrake, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.